Says, stop struggling. This brow method will save your makeup life. Welcome back to Soft Glam Sharp Lessons, where I teach simple glam and sharp lessons every woman needs. So what I will need for my eyebrow is a spoolie brush, a concealer LA Girl in Fawn, a fluffy powder brush, a dense liquid brush, David's pencil color 3, my black eye pencil by Zaron. That's about all. Then a powder to set. So first of all, I'll start with my concealer. I'll put it under the back of my hand. Use a brush, just spread it out so that my hand will warm it. Then I take this my liquid fluffy brush, dab on the concealer and put it all over my eyebrow. Oh, I think I took a lot. So please don't put that much. I can transfer this one to here. So I just press it on all over my brows on my forehead. Just press it on. I went over to this side because the concealer was a bit much. So I press it on. So now I take this my very dense brush by Zaron. I'm trying to further blend it out. I'm pressing it. You can see I'm dabbing it on. I'm not rubbing it. I'm just pressing it on. Just trying to blend out all the concealer. Just dab it on. You can see all the concealer has blended in to my skin. So once I'm done with this, just take this my powder. It's Ponds, by the way. These are all very simple things you can get anywhere. So put it on my palm. Take my dense powder brush. Press it on it. Take a little bit. As I'm removing, when I do, I just go over my eyebrows. Go over the brows. The reason why I'm putting this powder over my brows is because I want it to be matte, dry, so when I glide on my pencil will follow me how I want it to. When I'm done with this, dust off the excess powder, then take my spoolie and brush up my brows. Before now, I must have trimmed the brows and shaped it to my desired shape. So to begin the beginning of the brows, you have to line the edge of your nose to the outer part of your brow. So this is where my brow will begin. where I'll keep this brush here. Go to my pupil, open your eyes. This is where you have your arc. Then my brow, put at the edge of your nose, the outer part of your eye. This is where my brow should end. Yeah, like this. So I begin. So I take my Davis pencil. It has to always be sharp on it. It has to be this sharp as this. Then you start from the outer corner, lower part of your brows. You're sketching, you're not drawing, so you're holding your pencil very lightly, very lightly. So you know the shape of brows you want. Just imagine that you're drawing that shape. Just imagine it. So go this way, sketching. And when I begin from this side, I'll take my pencil up. You can see me. I'm trying to do it with at the same time looking at the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. So you just take hairline strokes. You can see me, yeah. Just hairline strokes. The beginning of the brow. So just going further. Remember, you're sketching, you're not drawing. So your hand should be very light on the pencil like this. Then I go to the upper part, start from the middle of the upper part, and just follow my eyebrow shape. And when I'll just do hair-like stroke to the end. Remember, your pencil has to be sharp for you to get this. Then when I come to the edge here, I'll just try and just make it a little bit bolder. Put a little bit pressure on my hand so that the outer corner of my eye, my brows can be a bit darker. When I'm done with this, I'll just come to the front again, and just keep doing hair-like strokes just to fill in the brows area. So just use your hand very lightly and just come to this remaining the upper parts so that it's going to be very soft at the edge. So you can see my brow is very soft. So when you are done, you can actually even go with this brow like this. You can go with it like this, but if you want it darker, just take your pencil again and just go the opposite direction. Just like this. Oh my. Go opposite direction. When you're done with this, you take your spoolie, just brush it to blend it in, and just put your eyebrow in place. If you want, you can make it thicker if you want. Go again. Just very light strokes. Remember, your hand, the pressure on your hand is very light. Just go back and forward, back and forward. Any place you think is very scanty, you can just fill it in. So I just pick up my brows again, brush up my brows to blend everything in, then arrange my eyebrow in the outline. You can see the eyebrow is highlighted, but if you want it to be further highlighted, that's when your black pencil. I'm sure you're wondering what she doing black pencil. So that's where my black pencil comes into place. So as usual, you have to sharpen your pencil. so my pencil is very sharp. Now you have to be very careful, very, very careful. Sketching, less pressure on your hand. Then you take your black pencil just to make it more highlighted. As you can see, we're not using concealer to highlight here. We're not doing that. This is a very simple way to do your eyebrow and start going. So take your pencil very lightly from the middle of the lower outline and just go very lightly. Then come to the arc side. And just go very lightly. So if any problem, just take, you can always correct anything with your black pencil. You cannot, sorry, brown pencil, you can always blend the black and the brown together so it won't be too dark. So I take my brown pencil, just at the bottom of that place I use the black, or just run over that black a little bit so it blends into the eyebrow. You go to the top part, do the same. Why is this shape looking funny? Oh, so you just made a mistake, so that's when I had to use my flat brush. Just onto the black, just dot it around. So if you have any irregularities with the eyebrow, if the eyebrow is not smooth, probably you take your flat brush, your clean flat brush, and just straighten any parts. If you want the tail to be smaller, use it, make it smaller and all that. But I think I like the way my eyebrow looks. Then you take your spoolie again and just blend everything in. Brush your eyebrow up. As you're brushing, you'll be checking for sprouts areas. So now I can see small sprouts areas. I just take my brown pencil and just go opposite direction to fill that place in. I'll take my spoolie, brush everything in place. So yeah, this is how I do my eyebrow. I don't need to use concealer to start highlighting. I will do this other eye. Show you. And even use this thing and just try to soften this edge. Stop overgiving. Your brows are a reminder to shape your boundaries. Soft Glam. Let me know what part of brows challenges you the most so I can film a solution.